Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about creating roof in REVIT. So there are basically two ways to create a roof in REVIT. So it's roof by footprint and roof by extrusion. So first off, I'm going to start off with roof by footprint, right? So I will click on the roof by footprint, and I like to create a roof at level 2. So currently I'm at level 1, so that's why this box came in and said that to create at the level 2. So I'll just click yes. Okay, so I don't want this roof type. The basic generate roof is 300 millimeter. It's too thick for me, so I would like to create a new roof. So I'll go to the edit type and I'll duplicate it, and then I'll say just 15 milli roof. I'll click OK. So I have to change the stretcher, so I'll go to the edit. I'll choose the thickness to be 15 and click OK. Okay, so now you have this basis roof right here, and I'll just choose the pick line, and then I'll make the offset to be around about, I think, maybe 300 millimeter. So maybe 500. 500, right? So I'll just hover my mouse outer side of the wall, click on that, and just click into the other side of the wall, just like this. So basically, as you can see, you see the triangle sign on the side of this right here. So basically, what that means is all the sizes that you created, it has the slope. It has the 30-degree slope, right? So I'm okay with that. But if you want to change the slope, you can just select all that and slope percentage to be about 22. I don't know. So I'll just click. Okay, so this is the level 1, so you can basically see the roof here. I'll go to the 3D, and now this is your roof. I'll change to the shaded, and you can see that our roof is created, right? But as we can see, we have the gap right here, right? So to fill in the gap, what I want to do, so I want to just shift the tab key to select all the wall in your project. Press the tab key. So press that, and when all the walls are selected, just left click and all the walls are selected. Now I'm just gonna attach top base, and you can see in the option bar, top is selected. That's what we want to do. Now we will click on that, and all the hollows, we cannot see that right now. Okay, so that's how you basically create a roof using the roof by footprint. Now what else I can do is I'll create a wall right here, just like that. This time I want to create the wall. This has to be level 2. Now this time I want to create a wall. A roof by footprint, using the roof by footprint. I'll go to the 3D, and then I'll go to roof under the architecture tab, and roof by extrusion. So I will pick a plane here. So I'll pick a plane, and I want to create a roof in this plane. Okay, I'll go to this back view. Now we can create that. I'm gonna have a roof, like this, and like this. So this is a bit center end, start end. So start end, and yeah, just like that. Okay, now when you're happy with that, I will just do the same here. So I'll click TM in my keyboard to create a mirror. Just click that, and now you can see the slope here. So now I'm happy with that. I will just click OK. Now we can see that this roof is created. What you should remember is extrusion length. We didn't set the extrusion length to which point it's going to be extruded. So I would say about like I think it could only go 1 meter. 1 meter would be okay. I would just click and drag this right here. Okay, now I'm fine with that. I'll go to the level 2, and yeah, it's okay. So I will, attach my walls to the roof. So I'll just click attach top base, and with this roof, now this roof, we have it right here. Okay, so this is basically how you can create a roof using roof by footprint and then the roof by extrusion. I think this video helps you out with your REVIT learning journey. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.